How to download or buy CapCut Pro on PC and laptop. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can download CapCut Pro on PC and laptop. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your browser and search for CapCut download, and it's going to bring you to this page over here. And now once you open this, you can see I have this download for free option. Just click download for free, or you can just click this drop down menu and download for Windows or Mac. So once you have downloaded the installer, just click the installer, and I'm just going to click over here and it's automatically going to start the download. So first you have to just open the CapCut installer and then double click to install CapCut and wait for the installation to finish. And once the installation is finished, you can see I have CapCut over here and it's the pro version already. So you can see this is the professional video editor. You can sign in with your Google account or any account that you have, and once you log in or sign in with your any of your account, you can use QR code, Facebook, Google, or you can sign in with TikTok. And once you do so, you can see you already have the pro version. So once you download CapCut, it's already the pro version. It isn't paid right now, it's free, and that's all. That's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.